My job title is Assistant Office Manager here at Diversified Group. I have been here about a year and a half. Honestly, the best way to describe it is your first point of contact and probably your fire extinguisher. Anytime there's an issue that comes across, whether it be from a customer, from the team leaders themselves, the crew, anything in that nature, I'm the one that will fix the problem. It's not a like or a dislike, it's a love. They bring you in and pretty much don't ever let you leave. They bring you in as a part of the family. So it's not a like or a dislike, it's an absolute love. There's a running joke that I actually call Kevin, the owner of the company, I actually call him Dad. I really feel like he has mentored and taken me under his wing. I came from a customer service background versus construction. I came in knowing nothing about construction, and he pretty much told me, it's all right, just do the best you can and you'll learn along the way. The best thing about working here is the knowledge that I've acquired. I can relay that to the customer. I feel like the majority of the people that I talk to, they have a good understanding of what's going on, but I try to give them as much information as possible. I want them to understand like their home is a huge part of their life. It's something that shouldn't be taken lightly, and as much information as they can get, if I can give it to them, I'm going to give it to them.